Welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to do the prediction of L&T for November and December 2021 using some machine learning algorithms. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. First we will do the fundamental analysis of L&T. Then we will see like what our machine learning algorithm predicting for L&T for next few weeks or few months. Then we will do the manual analysis of the same using some charts, indicator, OA and FA and DA data. So this is introduction to L&T. So L&T, as we know, it's mainly deal with an infrastructure and other engineering developments, and it is have a market cap of around 2.49 lakh crore, and its current price is around 1788, and its all-time high was around 1983, and the stock PE is around 28, which is a good one, and its dividend yield is around 1%. So L&T used to give a very good dividend over the years. So this is the quarterly results. So we can see quarterly results are improved over few quarters. Last few quarters it has been improved, and operating profit also we can see there are considerable growth, and over the years also it's a good one. And profit before tax and after tax is has been improved, and we can see an improvement in earning per share as well. And our Indian government is concentrating more on infrastructure developments and engineering developments. So L&T will be a key player to implement all these projects. So we are expecting some very good growth in L&T. So this is our profit and loss statement per year wise. So here we can see there is a considerable improvement happened over the years in profit of L&T. Sales and profit has been improved over the years, and profit before tax, after tax, net profit and earnings per share, everything is has been improved, and dividend per year also is a good one. So this is the data we have taken for our L&T, and for to this algorithm we have taken data from 2018 01 till 2021 November 26. So here we can see before COVID and all, L&T was almost flat, but after COVID there is a very good exponential growth has been happened. So from this graph, we can observe L&T is a very good company for long-term and short-term investments. So this is what our algorithm is predicted. So since from this particular point, today's close 1778, algorithm is expecting some faster reversal, and after that we are expecting some steady growth in the same channel as this. We are expecting some growth. So we can either risk traders can enter in this particular point or in this support point, or we can wait for 1 or 2 weeks for a consolidation and then we can enter, or as a safer side we can enter as this particular channel is being cut, and first target we can set around this one 950, and second target we can set around 2000 or 2050. So this is the enlarged one. So here we can see, as per algorithm, it is predicting it will go along with this particular channel. So risk traders can enter at the current price like 1788, or we can wait for 1 or 2 weeks to come to this level, or we can wait for this particular channel to cross. And target, as we discussed, we can set first target as 1750 or 1980, and second target we can set 2000 or 2050. So this is the candlestick chart we have taken from ChartLink. So this is a daily candlestick chart. So here also we can see L L&T is moving along with this particular channel, which is almost around 50 moving average, and the current close price is also around 1778, is almost around this 50 moving average. So either we can risk traders can enter here, or we can wait for this particular price to come down maybe in next 1 or 2 weeks, or we can expect some consolidation here, and after 2 weeks we can enter as this particular channel has been cut, and target also we can set in this particular channel. So all-time high like 1980 we can set as first target, because there might be a chance of double top here, and the second target we can set around 2000 or 2050. So this is a weekly chart. So here also we can see it is moving along with this 10 moving average, but today's close is just below 10 moving average. So safe traders can enter for a consolidation and a reversal, like as price is closed its previous 2 weeks high, we can enter at that particular price, or a safer side we can enter above this line, like last week high was around 1900, we can enter above this one, and target we can set just above 2000, like 2050 or something. So this is a Nifty chart we have taken. So here also we can see like multiple times Nifty got a support around 50 moving average. But this time also it first it tried to get a support here and tried to do a reversal. But due to some high volume sell and Reliance bad news and all, and due to some increasing number of corona cases, it lost this 50 moving average support, and currently it is come down to around 17,000. So next weeks we are expecting either it may come down a little bit more, or there might be a consolidation here and a reversal. So after that we can enter, or we can enter for a safer side, we can enter above this particular channel, like around 17,700. So this is the OIA data we have taken for Nifty. So compared to yesterday, what we observed is the the call option volume was has been increased, and there are some high resistance around 17,500 and 18,000, and the put option sell also has been reduced. So we are expecting some higher resistance around 17,500 and 18,000. So it is better to enter above this particular range. And this is for December expiry and expiry. So in a December expiry it is much far more better. So we can see like a put option volume sell is much higher, and the call option sell is around 18,000 and 18,500. There is some resistance, but overall call option sell is very less compared to put option sell. So in December we are expecting some better movement in Nifty. And this is L&T OA for 30th December. So here we can see 1900 and 2000 there is some higher resistance. So for a safer side it is better to enter above 1900, or for a risk traders can enter at this particular point, like 1770 or 1780 or some. We can wait for some consolidation in next few weeks. And this is OI, FA and DA net sell data. So October we have seen a very huge sell, and November first 2 weeks it has been improved, and there was some buy was happened, but after that due to some Reliance news issue and new COVID variant came, and number of corona cases also increased, and there is a fear like Europe and Asia may go for some lockdown. Because of that there was some high volume sell has been happened. So it is better to wait for 1 or 2 weeks to enter into market. And this is a monthly data. So here also we can see like October there was a high sell, and November first 2 weeks it was some buy was happened, but after that due to bad news and number of corona cases, sell has been increased. But OIA data look positive for December. We will see. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any stocks to analyze, please put in comments. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.